ACCKIP Smart Plug works with Amazon Alexa. You can ask, "Hey Alexa, turn on frying pan." App support. You can control the plug by phone. Remote control workable. Even you are out of the kitchen, as long as your phone and the plug are both connected to network. With energy measurement, you can easily know where your money has gone to. Set scenes. Ask Siri to control your solar lamp.
Hey Siri, turn on light.
That's done.
With timer, you don't need to wait as before. Just leave it run automatically as scheduled. Hand control workable. ACCKIP Smart Plug. Small body, powerful functions. Do you want to get one? Contact us now.